Hi, welcome back to All Things Home Care with Dana Arnone. It's time for Ask Dana. We are getting inundated with questions, and we're so happy to hear from everybody out in the community. So let's get right down to it. First question we got is, what is adult daycare? Well, there's several different kinds of daycare, so I'm not quite sure which one you're talking about. So let's start with the one that is the most common, which is social daycare. Social daycare is a place where people with dementia might go to, people that are ambulatory and don't really need that much physical care. It's a place that they can go to socialize, have some recreation, have a couple of meals, and be able to go back home. Then you have medical model daycare, and that is a little bit more of a skilled environment where they can get physical therapy, they can have occupational therapy, speech therapy, they can get bathed there, they can have the doctor visits there, and they get their meals as well. So depending upon the needs of your loved one, that would determine whether you're going to go to a social daycare or a medical daycare. And I used to work for a medical model daycare, and it really was one of the best experiences that I've had in my career, and I'm sure that all the patients and the families that send their loved ones there, it is a meaningful and an important part of their day. Next question we got is, how many hours is adult daycare per day? Well, with the pandemic and a lot of these daycares closing and now they're starting to reopen, the best thing that I can say is if you look at the daycares in your area, depending upon whether you want the social daycare or the medical model daycare, I would give them a call, because I believe a lot of the hours and the days that they're open and the availability to how many people can enter to their daycare has changed since the pandemic. So not to give you the wrong information, I would say call your local adult daycares and ask them directly. Do they offer lunch? Yes, they do. They offer lunch, and I believe that they offer breakfast as well. But again, due to the pandemic, things may have changed. Can the caregiver attend? That's another question that the pandemic probably really has changed the dynamics of the daycares. I know prior at a social daycare, you can bring your caretaker. At a medical model daycare, you could not. But again, things might have changed since the pandemic, so the best option is to call your local adult daycare, social daycare, medical model daycare, and ask whether or not the caregiver can attend. Well, those are all the questions that we have for today, so please send any questions that you might have for me to info@allthingshomecare.org.